Hey friends, TUXX here. For this particular video, I have these watch bands from Bandletic. That's B-A-N-D-L-E-T-I-C. These particular ones for the video are the ones that fit the Fitbit watch, okay? But they could actually, they make ones that fit other devices as well, you know? So if you have a favorite device, be sure and check it out. I'll have links down below for the product, and they will have something for you, okay? So whatever your favorite watch is. But what drew me to these, in my case, is I love my Sense 2. I wear it. If you watch my videos, go back, check a random video, you'll probably see I'm wearing this watch unless it's charging. But I do have a problem. And on these watches, if they are loose, like I like this band, but if it's loose, it does not give good accurate readings, okay? And that's where this product comes in. These are meant to be very easily adjustable to help give you the best readings possible for your smart device watch, okay? And they have some cool styles here. Now you can see they come very giftable, nice little box. Loving the little orange Fitbit band watch. Loving the style to them, and they really do a cool job. Like, look at the fun colors to see the window. This is very retail ready, very presentable. Loving the orange, love the little straps. Looks very cool. We're gonna check out both these two here. We'll go ahead and do this one first. We'll pull it out. Comes in a very nice orange package, so very nice, very professional packaging too. And look at that band. This is awesome, guys. Super heavy duty. We'll go ahead and pull this out here and take a look at this. Now this is really nice nylon, so this is gonna be very strong. It's gonna stay in place, and with this Velcro here, it's gonna give the kind of precise like tightness you need, you know, all the time. Okay, so it's gonna definitely help you keep your watch on and get the best readings you can possibly imagine, okay? And then back here is the device for clipping on. Now, as far as installing it, I've taken the Fitbit out of the other watch band. Okay, so you can see right there, it's all ready to go. And then all you have to do is take the little ends here and kind of clip them in. Now we want to show off that cool, loving this like little orange, like little tab and these little strings in here. Very stylish, very cool. We'll go ahead and just pop this in, just like this. And it pretty much just pops right in place, just like that. And you can see it's very strong. It's definitely going to hold it just fine. And then this other side here pops in the same way. It just pops kind of right in place and clicks in. And there you have it. So very, very cool, very versatile, stays right in place. So very good stuff. And this Velcro here, you can peel this off and you can make this adjustable to a lot of different sizes. Let me go ahead and put this on real quick here. We'll pull this back just a little bit more. There we go. And tighten this up. And you can see you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. So stay right on. And the trick here is you want that sensor being really close to your skin to give the most accurate read possible. So really cool stuff. And I'm loving the styling. I'm loving this orange, like it's high density nylon. It's very strong. It feels like almost like a police, like a Teflon jacket or something. Very, very cool. And I can tell this is going to last the test of time. But you know what? There's two. Let's go ahead and check out this other one too. We're going to pull this out here and check out. This is a really cool kind of a gray and white camouflage. Check that out. Look at that. Very cool. Loving the colors to them. Which one do you like better? Do you like the black one with the orange? Or do you like the camo one with the cool little white design? And again, if you open this up, you can see we got Velcro the same way. So it's very adjustable, very easy to make sure that it's just super good. Not too tight, not cutting off circulation, but just right. To recap, this is a Sense 2 watch band from Bandletic. That's B-A-N-D-L-E-T-I-C, okay? And they do make watch bands for other watches as well. And I will, again, have a link for you right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price. But key takeaway for this, I mean, for me, I've been having problems with my Fitbit Sense 2, has been loose on my wrist, flopping around a little bit, and it's a situation where it doesn't take as accurate of reads unless it's tight, okay? So this is a very easy way to make a precise adjustment and make sure it's just the right tightness on your wrist to get the most accurate reading possible. That's why you have a $300 Fitbit, you know, is to make sure you get accurate readings, you know. The material, super great material. It's a nice heavy duty nylon. The closure is Velcro, so again, it's very adjustable, very easy to make the precise fit that you need to get that precise, you know, read, that feedback from your device, your smart device. Comfortable? Yes, it's nice and breathable, The nylon is very soft, you know, but yet it's durable. The stitching around is tough enough that I believe this will last the test of time, you know. Even in rugged outdoor environments, this is going to be great. The fit is adjustable for men and women, which is cool. And it does have a rating, a fantastic rating on Amazon if you check it out. So very good stuff. They do make these for Fitbit Sense 2, Sense Versa 3, Versa 4, and more. And the best part is it's not terribly expensive. I'm gonna have the best price for you down below. By the time I'm making this video, it goes for about $23.99. Okay, so it's a great way to add some style, to add some extra performance to your Fitbit Sense 2 or other smart watch, okay? If you guys have any questions about this particular device, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite one is too. Do you like the cool black with the orange, or do you prefer the awesome camo with the white and the orange little strap there, that orange little piece? So looking really cool. I think for now, I'm probably going to start black first, and then maybe I'll switch to camo for certain uses. But they're both really cool, actually, so I'm glad to have both of them. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you making it to the end of the video. Any questions, you got to reach out to me. You guys know I'm here to help, and I believe this will actually make your Sense 2 even better and your Sense 2 experience even better because you'll be getting those accurate readings, okay? All right, friends, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.